Okay, number 50 says, what's the equation of a in point slope form of a line parallel to the line that they're giving us here, y equals 8x plus 13, that contains P, point P, which is negative 2 comma 7. Okay, so if our line is parallel, then we're going to have the same slope as the line that they are talking about, that they gave us the equation for. So we're going to use the slope of 8. Remember, it's not 8x, it's just the coefficient of x, which is 8. So we have a slope of 8. So, and they want it in point slope form, which makes it easy because point slope form says y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. And all we have to do then is substitute it, m, we replace with the slope they gave us of 8, okay? And y minus, and whatever they had as the y coordinate of their point that they're giving us, they say it goes through, and the y coordinate is 7. Okay, so y minus 7 equals 8 parentheses x, actually I'm going to say brackets because what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute in a value here. Okay. And what is the x coordinate of the point they gave us? It is negative 2. Okay, so the only thing that we need to do now is we should simplify this out. And what I mean by this is that instead of saying subtract a negative 2, you just write plus 2. So you say y minus 7 equals 8 parentheses x plus 2. Okay, that is point slope form. And they call it that because you have the point, the coordinates of the point, and you have the slope. Okay, so we're going to do that again for number 51. What is the equation in point slope form for a line parallel to negative 2, y equals negative 2x plus 14? The slope is negative 2, and it contains point j, which is negative 3 comma 7. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to write y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1, and we're going to say y minus whatever the y coordinate is equals m, which we'll leave blank to fill in, x minus whatever the x coordinate is. Okay, so then what do we have for the slope? They gave us the slope of negative 2, or the equation that they gave us has a slope of negative 2, and our line is parallel to it. So we've also got a negative 2 slope, and the x coordinate of the point that they're giving us is negative 3, so we fill that in, and the y coordinate is 7. And now, again, we need to just simplify this into y minus 7 equals negative 2 parentheses x plus 3. And that is the equation in point slope form. And we're done with these two problems.